I'm Verl Workman, CEO of Workman Success Systems. We pride ourselves on providing the best agent training programs in all of real estate, and today I am fired up and I'm thrilled to present our newest program, RAMP. So RAMP, what does that stand for? It stands for Rising Agent Mastery Program. It's designed to provide a balanced overview of the essentials for real estate agents to help them ramp their business to the next level and become an all-star agent. The great thing about RAMP is that it's for really everyone. We have programs specifically for buyer's agents. That would be called BAM, listing agents, SLAM, and admin, which is our AMP program. But RAMP covers it all. It's designed to give you a solid understanding of all of the important things that every agent needs to know as they begin to grow their business. It's perfect for agents who are brand new to the business, agents who are returning after some time away, and really anyone who's looking to refresh and refocus their approach to give their business that shot it needs and a real boost. Throughout the RAMP program, you're going to learn best practices and proven systems for buying, for selling, business planning, administration, and literally everything in between. RAMP consists of 60 training videos. Every day, you'll watch the assigned videos from start to finish and then follow along in the included accompanying workbook. The workbook closely follows the content in the videos so you can fill in the blanks, answer the questions, and of course do any of the written activities that are presented in the videos. And then I want you to know that if you want to have success with RAMP, you have to complete the assignments at the end of each session. Assignments, I said it. Yep, you heard me. That's right. We're giving you homework because RAMP is not just about giving you some passive learning. It's about doing. With each session, we give you specific, actionable items to help you apply the content and then intentionally create the life that you want for yourself. The goal is for you to close 2 transactions by the end of the program and be on track to start closing 2 transactions every single month. If you commit to this program and the systems it teaches, I promise you, you will come out of it a better agent, one who generates more business, converts more of the opportunities, and flat out closes more transactions. The bottom line is we want to help you earn more money so you can enjoy a better quality life. That's the Workman Guarantee. So are you ready to take your business to the next level? If so, then I'll see you on your ramp to success.